What's up, guys? It's your boy Monte, also known as Tay, and I'm back with another freaking video. I be vibing with my twin. What's up, guys? How's it going? How's it hanging? Hope you guys are having a good day. I hope your day went well. If you are a new subscriber, welcome. And if you are an old subscriber who's been here for a minute, thank you for coming back. I really appreciate that. And if you guys are new, please hit that subscribe button, like and comment. But as you saw by that title, as you saw by that thumbnail, yeah, I got some starch right here. I have no idea what I'm doing with this. I haven't really did no research on this. I just know that I've seen people eat this on TikTok like it's some good stuff, like it's some candy. So I was like, let me go ahead and try this. And also, I have a cousin her mom literally would eat this all the time when I was younger. I'm sure she still eats it till this day. She would eat this whole box, if not a bigger box. So I never tried it. Even though she had some, I never was like, ooh, let me get some of that. But I've seen people do it on TikTok, and I also have some in the fridge already. I already got some prepped. I try to make, hopefully it comes out how it is on TikTok. People like they was making like a little block. So we're gonna go ahead and get that out real quick. The starch that I've made, you can see that. Can you guys see that? It's really hard. I got another one too as well. It's really big. So I'm also filming for YouTube, and I'm also filming for TikTok. So if you see me looking both of these different angles, it's because I'm doing two things at once. So yeah, I have this one too. This looks like marshmallow, to be honest. I'm gonna try this. I'm gonna try the hard ones last. Honestly, I feel like I didn't do it right. So let's go ahead and get into this. Oh, and also, this right here was already cut open when I already started. Like, you see that slit? That was already there. If anything happened to me, Baker Corner, whatever your name is. Yeah. So let's. Can you see that? Is the light too bright? Like, look at that. Like, it almost looks like, all right, I'm low-key scared, but we're gonna try this. Let's go ahead. Can I get a big scoop? Do I got the right box? Is this what they eat? It can't be. This can't be what I see people eat. This can't be what I see people eat. Almost. There's no flavor. It's just a weird texture. I'm gonna go ahead and try this though. Oh shit. Let me get a knife. Oh no, I don't want it to break. Okay. I think it broke. No. Okay, as long as we get a big chunk. Frick. As long as we get a big chunk, that's all that matters, honestly. Okay. We're gonna do this one too. Y'all, I almost died because my lungs almost collapsed just now from this. I don't know how people eat this. Guys, I don't know if I got this can't be what people eat. I don't even know. If this is what people eat, oh my God. Ooh, I got this one out. This one came out. Look, yeah, yo. You see that? Yeah. Look. Bam. And do this one more time. Okay, so I want to get a good chunk. I'm getting all messy. I can eat this, it's just that not a big chunk. I'm gonna do this one. I don't know how y'all do this. I don't know how y'all can do this. Like the texture is like when you get to bite it, it's like chalky. And then when it like melts into your mouth, it gets really like chunky. And the taste of it is like nasty. It's like there's no flavor, but the flavor is something. Like, it's weird to explain, you know? It's really nasty. I'm gonna do this one more time, but I'm gonna just get the powder without the other stuff. Cut the camera. Cut the camera. I'm tired of doing this. I'm tired of doing these videos. Look, my camera is messed up now. I'm done doing these videos. I'm done. I just can't do it. I can't do this. All right, guys, I'm back. I cleaned my camera off. I thought my camera was a goner, to be honest. But let me tell you, I'm not doing this again. Whoever eats starch, cornstarch, they nasty, they trifling. I don't know how you can do it. My throat hurts for doing all that. Like, I almost died on camera. Y'all saw that? Whew, you know what? I'm not doing this again. So I had to get on here real quick, because I didn't want to be rude to y'all, because y'all didn't ask for this, to be honest. So I'm just going to close out the video. Thank you guys for tuning in. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, peace. Bye.